So we're just down the road from the tractor pull going home, and all of a sudden pulling out of the driveway there gets really squeaky. So we got a bad pulley of sorts. This pulley right here, if you can see it down here, the bearings are gone out of it. It's moving. It's got play. So that's got to get fixed. It squeals real bad when Mike fires. We're gonna drive it home the way it is. We're gonna try to drive it home, and if we have to, we'll grab a vehicle from my place and drag her home. It'll sound real good uptown. It'll sound real good uptown. So, yeah, another 10 minutes down the road. I can't see when you do that.
The mustache is like so much more visible.
So another 10 minutes down the road, we just got to Josh's place and it started making no noise, and we see that the alternator bracket has now decided to break. All this stuff happening at once. So now the belt has not much tension on it. And so now that the squeaking stopped, but the belt might not be spinning at the speed it should be. So we'll see. It still has some tension. Yeah. I'll grab a rope and follow you home. You still had power steering, so it's still spinning.
Fire it up. I want to see how it spins. Mike, fire it up.
Yeah. You video?
Yeah. All of a sudden the belt's just going to come flying out at us.
No.
Is that good? Is it good lighting?
Well, it's back. So what happened on that night that it broke, alternator mount broke. One of the pulleys was all wonky, so I didn't have time to fix it, so because I need it for work, so I sent it away for a couple of days, and they made me a alternator bracket, and they replaced the pulley, and they put a Sunfire fan on there, keep it a bit cooler. I already took it out. I ordered Ranger badges for my Ranger, and now we're gonna put them on. Wow, that's nice.
That's the garbage.
Yeah.
You can't really mess it up. One hole's bigger than the other.
Look at that metal bending. That's how quality that is.
Well, it's not even 3M. It's probably 4M.
What are you zooming in on? The cut in my hand?
Here, Mike. I'll pick up the garbage. Today, I'm the garbage boy.
I feel like that piece is supposed to be stuck to that, but probably
It'll stick when it's on.
probably not.
Oh, wait, no. There's still white stuff behind it. You might as well just take it off. Wait, what?
Oh, just that piece
Just
for some
that
reason.
piece. So peel the little white thing off.
Who built these? Oh, got it.
There you go.
Why is that big hole there?
No, it's a smaller hole there.
No, why is that one there?
I don't know. Your body guy.
Oh, maybe you can push it out from the inside
Probably.
when you have to steal them off someone else's truck.
Just now you gotta zoom out and get both of them.
You got a grease smear there.
I don't know how I got that. Where'd that come from?
So, after 4,000 kilometers of driving my truck, the shocks are coming off. They're falling apart, so we have to fix them.
We have new rubber bushings
From-
put on it.
From not Ford Ranger parts.
From a GMC Sahara. that broke from just poking it with a flathead screwdriver, it was ready to go. Ah. Okay. Oh shit. I might have to do it from the bottom again. I can get on it now though.
So we just got the shocks done, and I noticed it's leaking a little bit more oil than it was. Like by a little bit more, I mean instead of 3 drops, 25 drops. So I'm gonna bring it up to highway speed and whatever, full oil pressure, park it and see if it does the same thing. Because shocks fixes oil leaks. We didn't do anything to fix the oil.
Test drive time. We're gonna test out the new shocks and the oil leak.
Where are we going?
I don't know, where are we going?
Do we have to go or we're just gonna go and turn around? Yeah, I'm off-roading.
Yeah. Technically anything off of the pavement is off-roading, if you think of it.
Okay, it's a little bit bumpy here.
So I'm gonna attempt to start this, and I take all responsibility at this point in time for myself losing any fingers or toes.
Mike, what is it?
Apparently, this hunk of machinery is a Brussels sprout harvester.
I don't know how to start it. Oily temp? I don't know how to start it. You wanna try?
Yeah, so a start slot. It's a Volkswagen key.
Yeah. They probably took the motor out of an old VW Bug or something. Is there like a starter relay or something back here? I don't want to stick my head in there. I don't need that pin going through it.
Oh! Lights came on.
I'm scared.
We gotta figure out how to lift that up first.
I don't know how to lift. Well, we can lift it by hand.
So shortly after Mike did an oil change on his truck, we started running into a problem. So the exhaust is now spitting out black little particles. So if you think you know what it is, let us know in the comments if it's some kind of buildup or if the engine's burning too much oil, diesel, gas. Mike, what do you put in your truck? Let us know.